Alright folks, on a typical slab job, concrete inside a house will come in, we'll put plastic up everywhere. We'll mark out with a locator so we can locate the pipe exactly for that perfect cut and location. Also, mark out the lines that we're going to cut so they're nice and straight for the concrete repair moving forward. As you see doing here, chalk lines. And you're going to notice here that everything's taped up to prevent dust from going to other parts of the house that or store that do not need to be affected. We also use fans to blow out dust to assist in keeping it clean. And that hemp saw right there is a saw vac that cuts with no dust. So you're going to see here we're going to be cutting the concrete with that saw there with the dust collector, and as you see there's no dust being created from us cutting the concrete. Now moving forward, look at that there, no dust. Okay, so we do wholeheartedly try to keep the dirt down to a minimum. You're going to have some dust. On a typical concrete job, you're going to have the jackhammer going, either electric or most likely gas compressor, such as this. It's noisy. This here, we're bringing buckets of concrete out. We got to remove all the dirt from inside the house to outside the house to make the job be able to work inside and dig it up. Particularly a small area, you can't pile the dirt up, so we got to take it outside. Here we're trenching, looking for the old pipe, and there we have the new pipe put in to where it has to be. We're backfilling to prepare for concrete. Ready for concrete. Toilet flange is ready to go. We mix our own concrete on site to make the job more efficient and quickly to get done. Here we're prepping all the areas that we got a concrete. Some more backfill. If you need it, we bring backfill. A lot of jobs have a washout. And here, as you see, the manpower needed to do an inside job. Concrete mixed outside, concrete brought inside, concrete dumped in trenches, concrete finished. Tremendous amount of manpower. Here we're finishing up the concrete for this particular job. The concrete can be set 1/2 inch low so you can match tile also. In this particular case, they're going to be tiling, or check that, they're going to be painting the floors again. So this is the actual finished product flush with the existing floor. A concrete company always brings a magnificent finish for a repair. And after all that is said and done, the toilets are not set here yet in particular, but as you see, everything is mopped up and cleaned. Here we just got to set the 5 toilets and be done with this job, and they're back in business. This job took 2 days, only because the concrete had to set up for the toilets to be set in. So we let the concrete dry overnight.